Have you ever tried to build a habit? Maybe going for a morning run, journaling, or even just drinking more water, only to give up after a few weeks? Yeah, me too. At first, you're motivated, excited, ready to change your life. And then suddenly, life gets busy. You miss a day, and before you know it, the habit is gone. The problem? Most of us rely on motivation. But motivation fades. The real secret? Understanding how habits actually work. See, habits aren't about forcing yourself to be disciplined every day. They follow a simple 4-step loop, and if you set it up right, good habits become automatic, like brushing your teeth. In Atomic Habits, James Clear breaks it down into 4 steps: cue, craving, response, and reward. Let's talk about how to actually make this work in real life. So, why do we fail? It's not because we're lazy. It's because we rely on willpower instead of building a system. Think about it. How often have you told yourself, "I'll start tomorrow. I just need to try harder"? I keep forgetting. The truth is, we don't forget to check our phones 50 times a day. We don't forget to binge watch our favorite show. That's because bad habits are designed well. They're easy, enjoyable, and rewarding. If we use the same logic for good habits, they become effortless. Let's break it down. Step 1. Cue, make it obvious. Habits start with a trigger. If your goal is to read more, don't leave your book hidden on a shelf. Put it on your pillow so you see it every night. Want to work out? Keep your gym shoes next to your door. Want to start journaling? Place your notebook on your desk, open to a blank page. One trick I use is habit stacking, tying a new habit to something I already do. For example, after I make my morning coffee, I'll write down one thing I'm grateful for. The easier it is to notice, the easier it is to do. Step 2. Craving, make it attractive. Let's be honest, if a habit feels like a chore, you won't stick with it. The trick? Attach it to something you enjoy. Hate working out? Listen to your favorite podcast only while exercising. Want to drink more water? Buy a cool water bottle you actually like using. I used to hate waking up early, but when I started treating myself to a really good coffee as a reward, it suddenly felt a lot easier. By the way, if you're passionate about learning and self-improvement, you're in the perfect place. Our channel brings you the best insights from the most impactful books, helping you to enhance every aspect of your life, from finances and productivity to mindset, habits, relationships, and more. If that resonates with you, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Step 3. Response, make it easy. Most people fail because they start too big. They say, "I'll work out for an hour every day," and by week 2, they've quit. Instead, make it so easy you can't fail. Just 5 minutes of exercise, 1 page of reading, or 1 sentence of journaling. I started meditating by doing just 10 seconds a day. It felt ridiculous, but after a week, 30 seconds felt easy. Then a minute. Now, it's part of my routine. The key? Lower the barrier to entry. Step 4. Reward, make it satisfying. If a habit feels good, you'll keep doing it. That's why tracking progress works. Crossing off days on a calendar or using a habit tracker makes it visually satisfying. For me, it's simple. I keep a streak going. If I'm trying to drink more water, I'll tick it off on a whiteboard. If I want to walk every day, I'll take a quick selfie of where I walked. Small rewards keep habits alive. Here's the real secret. If you master these 4 steps, habits become automatic. You don't need to force yourself to write every day. You just leave your journal on your desk and let the habit take over. You don't need motivation to exercise. You just make it ridiculously easy to start. Good habits shouldn't feel like work. They should fit into your life effortlessly. So remember, make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. Once you get these steps right, habits stick. What's one habit you're trying to build? Drop a comment below. And if procrastination is your biggest enemy, check out my next video. It's all about killing the monster using these exact 4 habit steps. So subscribe, stay tuned, and see you in the next session.